what you wanna do. You can do what you wanna do. It's inside of you. Amen. Amen. Can't stop, won't stop. Ooh.
So what in the world is a ute? Well, some might say they are a tribe of Native Americans, but I'm talking about the ones native to Australia, where the Honda Prelude and Ford Falcon rule the streets. So I wanted a small, sporty truck. But here in the US, it's pick 2 out of 3, and I didn't want to look like I was overcompensating. So I decided to build my own and busted out my Photoshop skills to decide which car would make the right base. Having grown up with Acuras and Hondas, that's where my mind naturally went, and for a while the frontrunner was the RSX. But in the end, I went for the Prelude with its square lines, lower cost, and potential for a better name. In May 2017, I bought a junker Prelude for $1,100 and soon spent almost as much as that fixing it for California smog, which I passed on the second try. With my wife and kids away for a hometown visit for the month of July, I figured I could get half the project done in that time. Or so I thought. Anyway, to set the stage for future build videos in which I'll dive deep into how I built the truck, here is a quick look at its journey from junker to show car.
You can do what you wanna do. You can do what you wanna do. From LA to Tokyo. It was inside of you. All the time. Remember my name. Well, now they know. So the cups got broke. I'm gonna show you it's clear to see. Was in my front. And my baby, forever I'll be you. My prediction, I'ma be on top of the world. Can't stop, won't stop moving.
Don't speak the language,
Music,
don't need
let
explaining.
it go, let it go. It's gonna be alright.
Say yes, the answer is
This music, what's really crazy?
All I really need to understand is
I'll be alright.
Because you know I'm all about that bass, about that bass.
no trouble. You ain't gotta tell them.
No trouble. I'm all about that bass, about that
You
bass.
ain't gotta tell them.
It's gonna be alright. I know you want it.
Bass, bass.
No trouble. You ain't gotta tell them.
No trouble. I'm all about that bass, about that
You
bass.
ain't gotta tell them.
That's what you wanna do. Can't stop, won't stop moving.
don't speak the language,
Music,
don't need explaining.
know that in the morning now. It's gonna be alright. I keep moving. This music.
All I really need to understand is
So you can do what you wanna do. You can do what you wanna do. From LA to Tokyo. It was inside of you. All the time. So you can do what you wanna do. That's what you wanna do.
There's no going back.
London to Taiwan.
So you can do what you wanna do. That's what you want to do.
All in, the Prelude took 600 hours over 2 phases spanning 15 months. And so far, it's got 9 awards under its belt, and hopefully more to come. For the rest of this build series, I'll be going through the areas over here, so please subscribe and stay tuned for the next vid. Until then, this is Deviant Customs, over and out.
That's what you want to do.